Hi everyone, this is Kimberly Shepard, and I just wanted to give you a quick review on the APA format. When you're writing and you have to use that, this is your top header here. You've got your running head. So running head should be the first letter capitalized and the rest lowercase. You've got your colon right there. And then you're also going to make sure that your title is in all caps or in all capital letters. And then you've also got your page number, and you can quickly and easily just put page number up here and then the current position of the page, and so hopefully that will take care of that. We'll close the header. And then your title. Now you have skipped down just a little bit there, about half page, and then your title, again, the science process is in capital letters for the first letters of each word, and then your first and last name, the university, and your course number after this colon here, okay? And then you've also got the date. So that's your title page. As you are typing and everything, you're going to have a text that you have either quoted or that you have paraphrased, and so you're going to put your in-text citations. And so you would just take and put the parentheses, the author's last name, and then the comma, the date, and that will take care of it. And the last piece is the references down here. I want you to notice a couple of things. First, these are all alphabetized. And then second, the author's last name, comma, first initial. It should be a period right after that, and this one right here would just need a short space right there to kind of give it a little bit of, so you can tell the difference. And then right here, notice that the date, this one says ND for there's no date. Please be careful with using no date, because a lot of times the articles from websites like Discovery Education, Edutopia, they have when they actually wrote the article or they published it the first time, so just use that and just be careful with that. And then rules of forces in motion. Now the title, notice that the title for this particular article is the first letter capitalized and the rest is lowercase. And if you notice, these titles should be as well. Now this one right here, we're not talking about narrowing the gulf between the practice. We're not talking about the Gulf Coast, so again, that would need to be lowercase. And this one is for a website, so you've just retrieved December 15th, 2014, and then put the website address. This particular article, again, has all lowercase, and then you've got a journal here. Now, notice with this particular journal, it has these numbers in italics right after this as well, and journals are going to be italicized just like this one down here. And then, of course, for this one, it was found via the internet. This one, it doesn't look like it was, and that's okay too. But it does have the author's names, and this is multiple authors, so there was a comma after the period there for their names. So just be careful with that. I wanted to show you a quick tip as well. There we go. This is the Grand Canyon Library, of course, and when you come over here to the library, it says find journal articles. So if I click on this, I'm going to put in maybe the name of one of the articles that we had over here. So let's go ahead and use the relationship, and I will put this one in, and I want to check and see if it's peer reviewed. So this is how I can check quickly to see if the articles that you have are peer reviewed. When I pull this up, it tells me that no results were found, so I know automatically that this was not peer reviewed. But let's say that you're searching for peer review articles on the science process, okay? So you have changed your search a little bit there, just science processes, and you want to go ahead and say peer reviewed articles only and search. Now it automatically tells me which articles are peer reviewed, and I can go right in. When I am logged in, it will also show me the citations here. So I can click on Cite, and then it has multiple citation formats. And if I'm looking for more, especially the APA format there, it will have that. And if I just scroll down just a little bit, there is the APA format. And it gives me very specific information on that particular article. And you can see right over here, this is telling me that it's the journal, the page numbers, and all of that information as well. So it's very helpful to have. Another page that you can go to is worldcat.org. Same thing. This is the relationship between science, process skill, and formal thinking ability. So this tells me a little bit about the article. It's not going to have the entire article, but it does have, again, the citations and an APA 6 edition. And again, it's got all of that information. So if you noticed over here with this one, it ended at 20. But if I come over here, this one actually has a little bit more information, and it also tells me the exact date of the article. So just kind of use that to help, and that will give you a bit of a head start on the APA format.